the PoleFit studio. I am very excited today to teach you a new trick called Gemini. It's an external leg hang trick. It's for beginner and we are going to learn it from spinning and static pole. Okay, so you can see into the YouTube tab, you have all the sequences written so you are ready to jump directly to the step you want to learn. But just to explain you, this video will be divided into different sequences. First, we are going to see it from the floor and then from the top. After that, we are going to investigate the common mistakes we want to avoid to succeed the Gemini, and then we will see the entry to the Gemini. There is a new format to this video now because I wanted to improve the tutorial, so I hope this will please you and you will be able to learn as it should be and progress. So let's not wait more and let's start now. Let's enter in the Gemini through the 𝗚𝗏𝗏 posture. Check out the card up there in the video if you wish to learn further about the 𝗚𝗏𝗏 trick. In this Gemini, your point of contact will be your external leg hang, your waist, your armpit grip, and, as long as you progress, both of your hands will grip, or just one hand and also without hand. Once inverted, grip the pole with your back knee and point your feet to the floor to make sure your grip is strong. Orient your inside leg to the direction of the floor and place your waist right against the pole. Place your torso aligned to the pole. Adjust your inside armpit grip to the pole. Open your chest and orient your head to the floor. Make sure to keep your breathing calm and constant. Feel your body stretching slowly through the holding position and keep it for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Land on the floor close to the pole, down to your armpit grip. Grab the pole with both of your hands. Lift your legs up and engage your core to push your hips as high as possible to allow your external leg to execute a precise grip. As seen previously, point your external feet to the floor as well as your inside leg by squeezing your glutes. Repeat this sequence few times until you feel comfortable with the knee grip. This exercise is also a pole conditioning move you can adopt as a routine during your warm-up. Enter from an 𝗚𝗏𝗏 or from a 𝗚𝗏𝗏 position, which is a direct entry to the external leg hang. Make sure to engage your core to push your hips high enough, allowing your external leg to grab the pole at the right position, above your hands. Once you feel comfortable, remove your external hands from the pole, pointing it to the back or to the floor. One of the most common mistakes can be found during the hips lift. If you don't push your hips high enough to allow them to be close to the pole, you might grip the pole on the same level than your hands, which is not correct. Engage your core to push your hips and naturally adjust your knee grip above your hands. Another mistake can be found through a poor inside leg and torso stretch. When you point your inside leg down, make sure to stretch your chest out and point your head to the direction of the floor. This full body stretch will make you feel more secure as your point of contact with the pole will be more solid. So here are a few beginners' entry to Gemini on static pole, as seen already through the 𝗚𝗏𝗏. Through the 𝗚𝗏𝗏 pole trick, and through the 𝗚𝗏𝗏 again and creating a spinning motion on static pole. Here are a few spinning entries too, through the 𝗚𝗏𝗏. If you feel comfortable, you can remove both hands from the pole.
From the 𝗎𝗊𝗋 trick again, and letting the spin start once you invert through the move. And from the 𝗎𝗊𝗋 during the spinning, this entry requires a solid Gemini to feel comfortable and fun.
Alright guys, I hope you like this tutorial, that it gives you all the key to succeed your Gemini. Feel free to contact me to tell me how it was for you. And of course, I see you soon for a new tutorial. In the meantime, stay creative and stay active. It's very important. Bye bye.